you get that child who never answers a question, and so you never answer a question, and you're really, really, really quiet, and you finally raise your hand, and I go, yes, go answer the question, and then you blurt it out, right? What's my automatic response in that situation? Absolutely. I automatically go there and say, stop, I was not asking a question. You need to wait your turn. Meanwhile, she's over there. What I needed to do was turn my attention, totally dismiss this, and say, go ahead, say the answer. It's the same answer that she said. And what was it? It was 94. Fantastic. Fabulous job. Like that. And then I can turn around and say, that talking out is a little disruptive. Remember, use your blurt book if you need to. And I keep going. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.